Hey guys, Bob again at Kaler's Aquatics, and no, this is not another Dharma the Fahaka Puffer video, but I'm working in the tank right beside this, and she's begging for algae wafers, so thought we'd just get some gratuitous footage of her. I didn't know she was going to go behind her log, but what this video is actually about is this tank, the water level's down, maybe 15-20 gallons, because I have a broken brace on this 55, and it's been broken for a bit. Initially, there we go. Initially it broke off over on the right side over here, and it was about halfway broken, and then it finally popped loose on the left side there, and when it did, it was bam, like a pistol. So what I'm about to do is a friend that owns the local fish store, the Great Barrier Reef store, was able to make a repair brace for that, and I'm going to go ahead and let the water even further down, in effect doing a partial water change, because it's been hard for these fish to be in a smaller amount of water. And you can see I did a water change 2 days ago, and they're ready. So let me get the python out and get some water out, and then we'll proceed. Alright guys, so I pulled down another, I don't know, 15-20 gallons. That's a 55 gallon. Before I refill it, I want to show you how much the tank was bowed before. Look at the difference on its own, how the glass is going back in, and I can actually, and we'll actually have to pull the front and the back, because, you know, remember, both sides are going to bow, the front and the back. But that's on its own what it's doing, and without me pulling or right there. So let me go turn off the python, and we'll get our brace on. Okay, so as I said, a friend of mine that owns the local fish store also has another job, and he works with plexiglass and another material that's essentially the same, and that's what this is. So what it's meant to do is sit on the top and pull those sides back in, and you can see they've come in so much on their own. I'm not doing anything. And look at that. It's maybe, I don't know, maybe not even 1/8 of an inch before it would touch. And I can press it enough to make it close. Yeah, there. So if I want to make this pull in tighter, I could put something under it to cause it to pull the tank in more right there. But I'm very happy with it being like that. That's a huge improvement. I'm going to leave it alone, fill the tank back up, and we'll see what happens. Be right back. Okay, so we've just passed the level that the tank had been staying down to the last week or so, and are continuing to fill. Brace is holding in place there. I need to stick to, but remember, the brace is actually still broken, so just trying to wipe some of the brace is actually touching where it broke from. Yeah, there's no space. Paper thin space there. This is very tight from the pressure that the sides are exerting on it. He actually has a 55 in the store, in the back of the local fish store, that he has one of these on, and he's had it on a long time. Uses the tank for something that doesn't have fish for sale in it, quarantine or something. Alright, we'll check back with it in just a minute. Alright, so here we are. In a bad light situation, but the tank is full up past the rim, and it's not bowing out. And we'll go ahead and pull that off. Alright, so here's our finished product. Obviously those lids need to be cleaned, but I just took the end of each lid underneath that, and they're sitting on the rim that they were made to sit on, so it's completely functional just like it was. Everything's flush and that's staying in place, and voila, the tank's repaired that easily. Now normally I kept this sitting right in the middle. If that should want to pop off, that's not going to do anything to prevent it, but I'll just move it back over there. So there you go, a neat little DIY to fix a brace. Thanks guys for watching.